Bill Fetter, owner of Immaculate Paint Protection.
Dr. Jay Gupta, a loyal customer.
So Jay, we're here with your Porsche today. We went through the, helped you through with your maintenance wash procedures, gave you some education on that. Can we go back to the very beginning about how we started a relationship? And
Absolutely. I studied 15 years to become a doctor.
Yeah.
It was a lot of hard work. When I was able to afford, I always had a dream of buying a Porsche, so it's my dream car. So I was looking for somebody who's an artist who, who's really good at what they do, and that's what they specialize in.
Really nice,
The Porsche dealer offered to do the detailing and the paint protection and everything. And out of everybody, you were the only one that gave me the time of day to explain to me your process, what are the options, and we didn't jump to price right away, which I think was a really good thing, because it's not just some quick process. It is a time-intensive process, and I think when you appreciate that and understand it, you're more than willing to go forward with it.
Right. So you can drive your car every day without the fear of any paint damage on it.
And the proof is in the pudding. When you're driving, you'll hear like those little chips from the road. I feel like I'm not worried. I feel almost invincible. I'm like, okay. I can continue driving. I know my car's protected. Overall, that ceramic coating really makes it easier to clean the car, the tires. So during the wintertime, I'm also even at peace. I think it gives it that extra shine, the boost in appearance, and that extra that sacrificial layer that you're always talking about, that gives it that extra protection, and it's a minimal cost to do that extra step. So I think it was absolutely helpful. It's helped to maintain the car compared to like when I was driving my Honda and I didn't have any of those things on it. Just the amount of elbow grease I'd have to put into cleaning the tires and I would spend a lot of time to get my car looking nice. And I always wash my cars. I enjoy washing my cars. But this was super easy.
Awesome.
Yeah, and it was fun.
Great. Yeah, that's my thing. This should be fun to do.
Yeah. What I think I loved about it, the whole process of the paint protection, was the updates. I can't tell you how awesome that was. Puts you at peace of mind, because it is a long process. It did take 4 or 5 days to get it done. You are away from your dream car. I wanted nothing more than get this done right away, but you kept giving me updates. All right, we got to do this, we got to do that, and you're showing me pictures along the way. I'm seeing it coming along. So I think that's a huge thing. I do the same thing for my patients. I give them calls. I check on them post-operatively. You did the exact same thing that a physician would do. So you take care of the cars like they're your own cars, and that's the biggest thing that was to me.